Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and I'm here with my new videos. What should be your 4-month strategy? So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. 4 months left. A lot of pressure is there. I know the pressure, I've been there. So as you know, March has already started. So clock is ticking and your syllabus needs to be revised again and again. I know our syllabus is a lot of things are there to study, and all 19 subjects you should be you should be remembering, and it should be staying in your brain. So for that, revision is the only key. So what I thought and kept during my preparation, I gave entire 2 months for a deep revision for everything, because my almost 19 subjects were completed. So those whose all 19 subjects are completed and they are on their revision, or those who are going to start their revision, or those who are halfway of completing their subjects, try to complete your all 19 subjects before April end. 2 months are there, whole of your March and April. Try to complete whole 19 subjects. Whole 19 subjects doesn't mean you should be skipping any topics. Entire subject, whether it is revision or your first time of reading, without skipping any topics, you should be thoroughly revising and studying all 19 subjects once at least before April 30, with whole your weak topic plus your strong topics. After that, with that, you should be solving questions, and GTs are must. Revision part, when it will come, that will be a more rapid revision kind of revision. So that time you can skip your strong points, you can focus on your weak points, but one thorough revision is needed. Any concepts are weak, you should be taking time to clear that topic. You should not be trying to leave the topic, just no time is there for clearing those topics. And apart from that, you should be solving questions. You should be practicing more image based questions, the radiographs and the pictures, that instrument pictures. Every instrument looks same, all the forceps, so you should be very nice with those. So see the images every day, make it a habit. Every day you should be seeing 10 to 15 images randomly, and you should try to guess yourself. One more thing, I would just like to share my personal experience in some subjects. Like medicine, I know medicine is a very vast subject. Even for when it comes to revision for medicine also, it takes very long time, because you can't cover entire medicine in 2 days. So don't cut your time on small subjects and give it to big subjects, or your big subjects and give it to small subjects, because every subject is important and every subject is gonna come in your exam. So you should be planning your revision schedule in such a way that all your subjects have enough time for revision and you're not short on time for completing your target. You should be giving enough time. Like medicine, for what I used to do for my revision, I would divide the topics and I would revise. Like today is cardiology day, so I'll be revising cardiology today. I'll be doing 2 subjects in a day, whole 4 to 5 hours for any other subject, and then 2 to 3 hours for cardiology I'll complete the entire cardiology in one day. That is doable. And I'll be solving the questions also of cardiology from everywhere. Even my modules, I'll cover it. Image based question, by custom module you can select the topics also. So by there, cardiology I'll cover. Apart from that, FMG solution I'll cover. And if still time is there, so I'll go for solving more questions, or else I'll be done for the day. I'll be taking a gap. That day no medicine. Next day again I'll be picking CNS, I'll be picking, or else respiratory I'll be picking, and this way I'll be completing my medicine. So it won't look big, it will get completed, and you won't feel very much frustrated by medicine. So that way I used to complete. So but you can complete it any way you want. So you should take time, and you should give time to every subject how much it's required. For more big subjects, I think 4 to 5 days are more than enough. Some subjects for 6 days it's also okay, but for small subject 2 to 3 days are enough, and it should not take more than 2 to 3 days. So try to balance all the subjects time, and 2 months you make a routine that you will be able to do all your 19 subject revision according to the subject weightage and with question solving. And apart from that, 1-2 subjects are there, like PSM. I know it's a boring subject, but it's a very scoring subject. There's nothing much to learn as a concept. You should be knowing just 2 to 3 concepts are there. Apart from that, maximum everything is rectification. So that's the easy part of the subject. And other thing from my side, micro. As you know, micro was a very bad subject for me. Nothing used to be remembered. You should be revising your micro notes every 1 week. So that is what I used to do. Every 1 week, as you know, I completed it from rapid revision and LRR videos. So I'll be seeing only LRR videos, and my rapid revision notes I'll be just seeing it once. So I'll be seeing every 1 week, every Sundays. After my Sundays was my GT day. So after giving GT at night, I'll be seeing the notes or the video. I'll listen to the video and I'll sleep daily. That way, micro was little bit easy for remembering some of the things, or else some things are very hard to pronounce itself. What to learn it in that. So you can try that, because micro kitni baar bhi padho, you will forget it. Everyone knows that. Where also you are studying, try to revise it. Not only studied and chhod diya, everything is there in the brain. When you'll come to solving questions, or when you'll see the subject next time, you'll know half of the things are forgot. Even after 2 to 3 revision, you won't be able to keep everything in mind. So just once doing, so nothing is gonna come in mind. So try to revise whatever thing also from your studying 2 to 3 times at least, and prepare well. Make a good strategy, make doable targets so that the targets can be achieved. It will give you a confidence for doing more for next day. So keep studying and solve more questions, and this time is gonna be yours. All the best. Prepare well. Any kind of problem or any kind of queries, do text me. Anywhere also, I'll be ready to help. And that will be all. Thank you.